Hi Simran.
Hello.
So, as you are from the polymer background, can you tell us something about the plastics we use regularly? I would like to ask you a few questions. So, are you ready to answer? Okay, great.
Go.
Okay, so first let me know whether these paper cups we use in our daily lives, are they really safe?
Not actually. The paper cup in itself might have a plastic coating, which is why the food or the beverage doesn't get completely absorbed and it doesn't get soggy. So paper cup is actually a mixture of paper and plastic. So no.
Okay, then how about this container in which we get the food from Swiggy, Zomato, which is really hot? So is it safe to have it in this plastic?
Actually, for delivery options, they do use this. Hot, definitely not. But if you really want to use anything for convenience, you can use transparent plastics because at least the color will not leach into your food. Be it black, blue, anything, it will leach a little bit into your food. Having said that, please use stainless steel containers, etc., or stainless steel covered with a plastic so that it is safe as well as and good for the environment.
Okay, so now how about the straws that we use?
Same thing, when it goes inside the beverage, it is gone. And usually paper straws are again coated with plastic, so ultimately you are drinking plastic, so that is actually bad. So don't use paper straws at all.
So-
Use bamboo straws or stainless steel straws.
So while we are discussing this, how do we drink coconut water?
Coconut water directly, or you can pour it into a glass and drink it. Usually don't use again paper straws or plastic straws, or drink it from a cup ideally.
Oh, so you are suggesting that we should carry a steel straw with us always?
Actually a good idea. Why not?
Okay, so now how about styrofoam? Is it safe as it is used everywhere in all the food?
Yeah,
Yes.
actually styrofoam is not safe enough, but it will give you some kind of protection when you carry it for convenience, but it is not good either, and they can directly leach into your food. It is not biodegradable, so maybe not. Again, use stainless steel containers or something which is stainless steel plus plastic over it.
Okay, so now how about these compostable or biodegradable garbage bags?
So when it is written that it is compostable garbage bags and certified by ISO 17088, it is actually compostable. It is a good option. But only thing is we should make sure that it should be getting composed in the composting environment by the industrial standards. Otherwise, it is as good as any normal plastic.
Okay, so now as we have discussed so many of them, what do you think, is plastic the only practical option today?
So plastic is definitely the only practical and convenient option in terms of affordability, in terms of sustainability. We have to just come up with bio solutions, and if you have any such queries, you can always come back to us and we can always give you solutions for that.
Oh, great. Thank you. That was so nice to hear from you.
Bye bye.